Hello students, only two reactions are left from the chemical properties of metals. So we will do first one, that is reaction of metals with chlorine. When metals react with chlorine, we get ionic chlorides. What are ionic chlorides? Ionic chlorides are ionic compounds which conduct the electricity, and they are usually solid and conduct electricity in solution or in molten state. ये सिर्फ कंडक्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी when they are in the form of solution or in the molten state. So metal chlorides are electrolytes. What is the meaning of electrolyte? Electrolyte is a substance which conduct the electricity, and also they have high melting point and high boiling points. So in this reaction, when sodium combines with chlorine, we get sodium chloride. Calcium combines with chlorine, we get calcium chloride. Magnesium reacts with chlorine on heating, we get magnesium chloride. Aluminium reacts with chlorine on heating, we get aluminium chloride. Zinc reacts with chlorine, we get the zinc chloride. And in the same way, when iron combines with the chlorine, we get iron chloride. And copper combined chlorine, copper chloride. So all these metal chlorides are ionic compounds. ये सारे क्या हैं? Ionic compound, जिसके साथ Cl लगा है, NaCl, HCl, copper chloride. All these are the ionic compounds, or we can also say that electrovalent compounds. What is the meaning of this? Means these conduct the electricity. Next, reaction of metals with hydrogen. So this is also important. Most of the metals, most means, ध्यान से सुनो इसको, most means maximum of the metal do not combine with hydrogen, but only a few reactive metals. कौन सी? Few reactive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium react with this hydrogen to form metal hydrides. So what are metal hydrides? These metal hydrides are also ionic compounds. They also conduct the electricity. So these ionic compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from metal atoms to hydrogen atom. So here metal hydride, in this reaction the hydrogen is present in the form of negative ion, means anion called hydride. So metal will lose electron and hydrogen will gain electron. So what do we get? We get the metal hydride. So sodium combines with hydrogen, sodium hydride is formed. Calcium combines with hydrogen and calcium hydride is formed. So how these reactions take place? When hydrogen gas is passed over heated sodium metal, then sodium hydride is formed. When hydrogen gas is passed over the heated calcium, then calcium hydride is formed. So these are hydrides are also conduct the electricity. Why? Because these are ionic compounds. So this is the last chemical reaction of the metals.